Welcome to the Experts in Medicine Talk series. This series is brought to you by Handbooks in Healthcare, leading publisher of clinical pocket references by the world-leading medical experts. Today we are joined by Thomas File, author of Contemporary Diagnosis and Management of Skin and Soft Tissue Infections.
Hello, my name is Tom File. I am Chief of the Infectious Disease Service at Summa Health System here in Akron, Ohio, and Professor of Internal Medicine and Head of the Infectious Disease Section of Northeastern Ohio University's Colleges of Medicine and Pharmacy in Rootstown, Ohio. And it is my pleasure to collaborate with Dennis Stevens to write the second edition of the Contemporary Diagnosis and Management of Skin and Soft Tissue Infections. Dennis is Chief of the Infectious Disease Section, VA Medical Center in Boise, Idaho, and Professor of Medicine, University of Washington School of Medicine in Seattle. Now, both Dennis and myself have had a long interest in skin infections, and indeed Dennis is the lead author of the most recent Infectious Diseases Society of America guidelines on management of such infections. Now, as we are aware, there's been a significant change in the etiology of community-associated skin infections, in that now the most common pathogen, Staphylococcus aureus, is most often methicillin-resistant, or MRSA. This has significantly changed our approach to both mild and serious community-associated skin infections, and therefore we have added a new chapter in this edition to focus on this issue. We have organized this handbook according to a classification for bacterial skin infections, dividing them into primary pyodermas, secondary infections associated with pre-existing lesions, and necrotizing infections. In this way, we anticipate this will provide an excellent source for essential information for the clinician reader.
Thanks for tuning in to the Experts in Medicine Talk series, brought to you by Handbooks in Healthcare. If you are interested in purchasing copies of this or any other titles by Handbooks in Healthcare, please call 800-860-9544 or email custserve@hhcbooks.com. All Handbooks in Healthcare titles retail for under $25 a copy and can be purchased in bulk quantities at substantial discounts. Handbooks in Healthcare can be found on the web at www.hhcbooks.com.